So we've been wondering if the kids are in school. Apparently they are. It's crazy. It's like they suspended off the ground to get higher to the trees. Now it's moving. I'm scared. Anyways, happy Tuesday, guys. We are on our way to the Opera House. Byron wanted to go tour it while we were here. It's hot. He wanted to bring a jacket.
It's hot.
It's like 65 degrees. Look, we're just sitting here by the Harbor Bridge and the Opera House. And there's a seagull. Byron won't let me touch it. He's scared. I was gonna put the gator next to it, but he was like, the thing would try to attack the gator. I'd freak out, throw the gator. Byron would then have to go rescue the gator. So someone never told them the whole don't feed the seagulls. The seagulls have chased Byron away. See, look, they're all right there. They coming for you. But yeah, Byron wants to take pictures of them. We're headed on our tour with our headphones. Under one of the little domes.
Okay, so this is the northern foyer. It looks a little bit like the bridge of a ship. The sails can look like paint, for instance, and of course from afar they do look white. So a real important piece of art for us to have here as well. I hope you like it. It's very busy, this room. You can get married in here.
That's a really cool idea of like postcards. I like that background. They're really neat. Wow, Byron, we see the same a lot. I like that one. That looks cool. Toilets look a little weird. I like that. So we just walked outside the Opera House. There's the Opera House, and just, it's pretty out here in them giant stairs. Those are people on the bridge. You can walk across the bridge, and they're just hanging out. About 15 minutes until a ferry. I can get used to this, taking ferries everywhere. It's actually really nice. We're gonna try to get a seat on the outside because I want to sit down because my feet are killing me. So, and then we got to walk up like 2,000 stairs at that dang Opera House.
Heading out to Manland. There's Harbor Bridge again to the coast. I got caught. I was telling Sarah, like, I'm afraid one's gonna poop on me, and I'm just sitting here and poop right on the shirt pocket. So
It's about time.
it could be worse.
So I've been asking if they actually ride the boat, and apparently they do. There's that seagull. Hanging out. Look right there. It looks like the world just ended. Like it just dropped off the face of the earth right there. Birds just trying to get some water. Look at it. That bathroom was the epitome of every fear I have of any bathroom ever. I should have listened to Byron. I should have went before we left port. So Byron had packed us another sack lunch today. We just got done eating it. And we saw 2 little seagulls. We kept having to move spots because the little seagulls had broken legs.
Sure, got sad.
I got so sad. I couldn't sit around them anymore.
Good thing you didn't see that one.
Why?
Missing a leg.
Oh!
Yeah, just had like a little nub.
Oh! Oh God! Oh God!
I can't handle these birds.
But anyway, so and you can't feed them because once you feed one of them, whatever.
I feel like the yard's full of these birds.
Brandon seagulls like you though.
Yeah. They don't pop.
No, it's like you can't feed them, even though I felt bad because if you feed them, then 40 of them come all at once.
There it is.
Oh, why is it out of the water?
Those are easy to catch. A lot of people don't like them because they don't fight, but they grow into like one of the strongest Pokemon there is.
Oh, I just threw a ball. Yeah! Only took 3 balls. I feel like there's a storm coming in over Melle.
feel like I should be leaning on this rail.
Yeah, you're gonna fall. It's not real, it's not that safe. But look at that sun on that water. Byron's over there taking his pictures, but while he's over there, I'm gonna have a real talk moment. I do these all the time, and half of them don't make it into the vlog, but this one's making it in. And I just want to say that I'm just so internally grateful for those of you who have subscribed to us, or even ones who just have followed us through one video, just watched it and was like, oh, great job, or you know, even if you haven't left us a comment and just watched one of our videos, it really means a lot to me. I forgot my whole train of thought. Look at the rainbow. You guys can see it. See, it's the rainbow. I love how this water comes in. It's so pretty. So there aren't a lot of bugs here, I've learned. Like, I haven't seen any like bees or anything. Again, it is their winter, but Byron just sat down and there's like ants all over here. That's about all I've seen.
By the way, real quick, update for the camera. I just caught a side duck and an EV back to back. Hashtag Timmy Instinct.
He also got honked at by some girls that were trying to get by him on their bike.
They were on their bikes like ding ding.
Little ding ding. They're in their little school uniforms.
Like,
all polite and stuff. So, do you see anybody else have food? No, I don't see anybody that's got food. Got an itch though.
so the school must have just let out. So we saw a bunch of like high school boys, like they were Catholic school, because they were wearing like.
Kind of like those kids over there.
One was in the car driving, you know, like getting the pose on, like, you know, checking Sarah out. He's like at this. And he drove off. I was like, hey, you know, like, high school has just checked you out, right?
Hey. That's it.
That's it.
Like, you could do the sprinkle one too. I added a couple sprinkles to the top. But the best thing, they dip it right in front of you. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. We finished that ice cream and it was so good. We actually couldn't even get to the bottom of it because like it just keeps going down. And we only got one scoop, so it was just like one and it was good. But oh my god. But anyways, we're in the little promenade outside the port. And I just want to tell you guys that this reminds me of Savannah. Have you ever been to Savannah? This definitely looks like it. Byron's getting a filtered water for our water bottle for our ride back. This is our view from this ferry. We got on the side this time. A nice little overlook. Nice little relaxing seats too.
Yeah, it's nice.
These are comfortable. Oh, I can't. I'm short.
Oh.
Oh god, I can't even make the one that you're at.
Hold my foot.
There you go. There's the man of my dreams. The love of my life.
Oh, whatever. Don't get too cheesy.
I would die for you.
Here you are. I got too much stuff I gotta do.
This seagull has come by like 3 times and now it'll like come and turn around and then come back and turn around. But yeah, look at those cliffs. Very cool.
It is cool.
It's called, it was fun. We first started doing a little read. There's the harbor bridge with the sunset. We just pulled in a dock. All the waters are flowing. We're getting ready to get off the boat with my bum foot. Oh, there's the boat. Here's the inside. Upstairs looks kind of the same. This is Byron right now. Oh, come on.
Jack Squire Hot Thief. It's an American Pale Ale. It's good.
It's American? You got an American beer in Australia?
Well, it's an American style.
I just like how our bags are just like on the table. We're not eating or anything. Byron's fine to have a drink by the water. There's water behind us.
Life's too hard. I can't catch all the pulling at all.
So we just took the train and we ended up lost in that building, that Victoria building that we have been seeing. And we go to Abby's bookstore and they're closed.
Sure.
It's not my fault. It's Byron's fault because he had to stop and go pee-pee.
And pee-pee.
Then again, if we had gotten here like 5 minutes before 6, I wouldn't have had time to look for a book. So,
stand out here in silent protest.
Yep.
I'm done.
But I did want to show you guys across the street. People patiently wait in line for their bus. I thought that was so funny. I was like, first come, first serve, knock people down. So we finally went into that hot dog stand that Byron's always wanted to go to. Turns out it's like a bar.
It's a diner.
Like a diner bar. It's like underground. Like passwords are needed.
Some passwords. No, we lying to people. You just have to open the
The Coke door.
the old Coke machine.
The Coke
And you
machine.
get in there. And they had tonight they were packed because they had $1 hot dogs. So all their hot dogs were $1. We couldn't get seats.
Yeah, we could. We sat there for like 20 minutes.
There's 2 other couples waiting for seats, along with a group of people that are waiting on a different side of the bar waiting.
Yeah, Byron was trying to pounce, but it just didn't happen.
We had seats, but that's where the bar was. That's where the band was going to come.
I don't eat beef very often, but this burger looks delicious.
They got that lamb with relish.
By the way, this is a snack fry. Byron wanted to get something bigger. I'm like, this is plenty.
This place does something really cool. They have this thing, these dog caps, and they have those bins over there. But what they do is they ask people to put the bottle caps in the charity of their choice, and then they donate money to the charity that gets the most. Well, they donate 300 to first, and they split 100 between the last 2. Pretty neat.
Oh no, it's 8 o'clock and we have not been back to the hotel all day.
Oh, my legs.
Yeah, we're both kind of feeling it. Byron's having a baby apparently. But my foot is so sore. Byron owes me 2 foot massages tonight.
Yeah, 1 for each foot, that's all you get. And I get 4.
I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, exactly.
I have to do the key because Byron doesn't know how to.
Hey, by the way, don't let Sarah fool you. She's gotta get my knee massage.
Ooh, it's okay. I like hitting that pressure point. He's all like,
It's the most painful yet pleasurable feeling ever when you get in that. Oh God, it's like a light turn on. It's just whatever.
first try.